Alright, so here we have a Chevy Silverado key fob, and another one that looks kind of difficult, like you could break the key, like this one. Somebody had kind of pried at the corner. So on these, where you want to open it up is right here. You can see a little spot. You actually just pull that back. And the previous owner had broken off this corner doing that, but there's a little space up at the top there that you could just pull down. This is a little tricky to get out. I don't have a very flathead screwdriver with me, but a real small one, you have to just kind of push it back out from under this tiny lip, push it back, and then this lip will it will allow it to release out of there. And it's a CR2032 battery. This is a 2018 Chevy Silverado. Once you have it back in, all you do is just put that back on, clip it in, and it's all set. And like I said, it just has that little lip right there. You could probably use like a penny or a dime and put it in there and pop it out. And these little hooks on the top here are somewhat delicate, so they can snap. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.